Dear guest, friends, well-wishers, respected Dr. Akile Nageshwar garu, respected A.K. Khan garu, and all my friends and well-wishers, good evening and welcome to all this wonderful evening. Thank you. Yes, he is the officer. Yes, he is the officer who has travelled a long way from Rajasthan and made Andhra Pradesh his home. Yes, he is the achiever who ran 42.195 kilometers in a record time of 3 hours and 37 minutes in memory of the martyrs in Mumbai attacks. Yes, he is the great swimmer who swam the Park Strait in the shortest time recorded so far, 12 hours 31 minutes. From Talaimannar in Sri Lanka to Dhanushkodi, Rameshwaram, India. The most difficult thing was not being able to see anything in the dark. The only point of reference for almost 2.5 hours to 3 hours was the light from the support boat. The danger in the sea is mostly from sharks, snakes, jellyfish and other harmful bugs. An imported electronic shark repellent device was hung from the support boat to dispel them. Yes, the record holder in his own words, such an adventurous journey it was. Yes, he is the first IPS officer who swam the Strait of Gibraltar from Spain to Mount Musa in Moroccan's coast. Only 65 so far in the world have achieved this, and among them 18 are Indians. Yes, he was the first police officer who reached the helicopter crash spot and voluntarily took charge of rescue operations. Self-motivation and strong will are the driving forces that keep him going. Yes, the achiever in his own words. Dear guests, it gives me great pleasure to welcome Sri Rajiv Trivedi garu, an IPS officer and a good friend, presently holding the rank of Additional DGP and Special Director for Andhra Pradesh Police Academy, APA. Sri Rajiv Trivedi garu joined IPS in 1986 and awarded Best in Outdoor Training for the 1986 batch. Congratulations, sir, for being awarded the President Police Medal for Distinguished Service. Dear Sri Rajiv Trivedi garu, we wish you many more achievements and milestones in the near future. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for kindly accepting my invitation. I pray and wish Lord Venkateshwara for good health, prosperity, success and happiness for you and your family. And thank you for being a great friend and source of inspiration to me and millions of Indians. Thank you, Rajiv Trivedi garu. Thank you. I request Dr. Akile Nageshwar garu, please I invite to the stage, and A.K. Khan garu, very good well-wisher, A.K. Khan, Commissioner of Hyderabad, I invite all to the dais.
I request my batchmate, Shri V.S.A. Bombay IPS, Additional DGP Railways, to kindly come over to the dais. He actually received the medal this 15th of August. I will receive it next year. I belong to the 1986 batch of the IPS, and we are a lot of medal winners in that batch. He was the best overall IPS probationer in my batch.
My Kamati garu manchi well-wisher and na prosperity ki varu blessings ento unnai. 2002, I shifted from, I stayed almost 6 years, Mohammed Garu inklone I stayed. And today, na success lo, prosperity lo, ఆ ఇల్లు ఎంతో నాకు బ్లెస్సింగ్స్ అయింది. ఐఎమ్ రియల్లీ థ్యాంక్ఫుల్ టు Mohammed Garu. థ్యాంక్ యూ Mohammed sir. థ్యాంక్ యూ. I request A.K. Khan to present this memento to Rajiv Trivedi.
Please join us. Please join us. Please join us. Sir, please join us. Everybody join us, please. Sir, everybody please look here. One more, sir. One more, sir. Last. Yes, I'm ready. Thank you, sir. Please give us a
సో వెరీ హెల్ప్ఫుల్. నాకు కొన్ని సందర్భాలలో రియలీ అంటే కొన్ని ఇన్సిడెంట్స్ లో రియల్గా నేను ఎప్పుడైనా కాల్ చేస్తే రియల్లీ నాకు చాలా హెల్ప్ చేశారు. ఐఎమ్ రియల్లీ థ్యాంక్ఫుల్ టు రాజీవ్ త్రివేది గారు. అండ్ ఆల్వేస్ వెరీ ఈజ్ ఆల్వేస్ స్పోర్టివ్గా ఉంటారు అండ్ వెరీ ఎనర్జెటిక్. దట్ వాట్ ఐ రియల్లీ లైక్ అండ్ ఆల్వేస్ ఇన్స్పైర్స్ మీ. అండ్ రియల్లీ ఇట్స్ ఎ గ్రేట్ ప్రివిలేజ్ టు హానర్ టుడే ఆన్ దిస్ ఒకేషన్. And thank you, Rajiv Trivedi garu, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
పూజ్యులు ఏఎన్ఆర్ గారు, శ్రీ A.K. ఖాన్ గారు, నా మిత్రులు శ్రీ విఎస్కే కౌముది గారు, అండ్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ నా భక్తులు శ్రీ అమర్నాథ్ గారు. I would like to first of all thank Amarnath garu for honoring me in this manner. I feel really honored and pleased, and I hope that I am able to live up to the honor that has been bestowed on me today. As regards Mr. Amarnath, let me tell you the appreciation between us is mutual. I have been inspired by his energy, by his commitment and sincerity and dedication. I have been watching him from the time he actually started from the scratch, and how he has self-motivatedly built up his business, the model of business that he pursues, the ethical values that he espouses and promotes have all been a great learning lessons for me as well. I have been a student of business myself. Before joining police, I was working with the Tata Consultancy Services. And what I saw in Mr. Amarnath is a really true Indian, ethical, honorable businessman, and I really appreciate him for that. He is not only a successful businessman, but also he believes in building relationships. That is what I really admire about him. Whether it is his customers, or it is his suppliers, or it is his friends, he has very strong relationships with everyone. And it is basically these relationships which count ultimately in life, and not how much money we have made or what positions we have achieved. So in that respect, I think there is a lot to learn from Amarnath garu also, and I really thank him once more for giving me this honor. I feel really honored, and I hope that our relationship continues and becomes stronger in the future. Thank you so much.